When it comes to strength, durability, and ease of installation, nothing compares to Aquatherm Blue, our flagship PP-RCT pipe. Aquatherm Blue is a versatile piping solution that ranges from 2 inches to 24 inches in size and is available for multi-unit residential, office, commercial, industrial, and government buildings, as well as data centers, schools, and university HVAC projects. Aquatherm's heat fusion connections are fast and easy, which means a lower total installed cost and higher profits for you. In addition, a properly performed heat fusion creates a permanent connection that will never leak. As to performance, Aquatherm pipe can handle fluids up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit at pressures up to 100 psi, depending on pipe size and SDR. Aquatherm is a breeze to work with. Our PPR pipe is lightweight and durable with an expected lifespan of 50+ years. The pipe is hydrophobic and will never scale or corrode. Aquatherm Blue Pipe features a multi-layer phaser composite construction that minimizes linear thermal expansion. In essence, Aquatherm Blue Pipe is long-lasting, high-performance, and is easy to work with. Aquatherm was founded in Germany in 1973 and was introduced to North American markets in 2005. Over the past 5 decades, it has been installed in thousands of buildings worldwide. No other PPR company even comes close to Aquatherm's installed base. In addition, Aquatherm offers the most extensive PPR product line and is the industry leader in training and support. As you plan your next HVAC project, consider Aquatherm Blue as your go-to piping solution with its long-term performance and fast installation process.